Welcome to our comparison of the MSI B550-A PRO ProSeries and the MSI B850 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi V1 motherboards. Today, we'll dive into the specifications, features, and performance of these two motherboards designed for AMD systems. The B550-A PRO is a budget-friendly option for the AM4 platform, while the B850 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi V1 is a high-performance board for the latest AM5 processors. Let's see how they stack up against each other. The MSI B550-A PRO ProSeries features an AM4 socket, making it compatible with a wide range of AMD Ryzen processors, including the 3000 and 5000 series. In contrast, the MSI B850 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi V1 uses the newer AM5 socket, designed for the latest Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors. This difference in socket compatibility is crucial for users looking to upgrade their systems in the future. The B550-A PRO supports DDR4 memory, allowing speeds up to 4400 MHz, while the B850 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi V1 supports the newer DDR5 memory standard, which can exceed speeds of 8200 Mount/s. This advancement in memory technology provides the B850 with a significant edge in bandwidth and performance, making it a better choice for high-performance gaming and productivity tasks. When it comes to networking, the MSI B550-A PRO ProSeries offers standard gigabit LAN without integrated Wi-Fi, which may require additional adapters for wireless connectivity. On the other hand, the B850 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi V1 boasts advanced networking features, including Wi-Fi 7 and 5 gigabits per second LAN, ensuring faster and more reliable internet connections, perfect for gamers and content creators who rely on high-speed data transfer. In conclusion, both the MSI B550-A PRO ProSeries and the MSI B850 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi V1 have their strengths and weaknesses. The B550-A PRO is a solid choice for those on a budget or looking for a reliable workhorse, while the B850 offers cutting-edge features and future-proofing for high-end builds. Consider your needs and budget before making a decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.